Hi everyone, this is Andy Vu and welcome back to my channel. Today I just purchased a utility cart from Home Depot to build my photography table. I need a table for my laptop with the wheels so I can move around. And I also purchased 4 8 inches wheel, 2 wheel with the brake and 2 wheel without the brake. 4 wheel is small. The wheel is big and it's easy to move from the truck to location and from the location back to the truck, actually for transportation, the equipment. This one is small, it's only 16 inches by 33 inches. Yes, it's a little small, but I think it's good enough for me because the main purpose is I purchased this one is just put my laptop on the top and some small equipment like camera or something like that. So let me open the box to see if it's good enough or not. If this one is good, it's a very cheap. Only $89 include the tax. 4 wheel, $100 include the tax. This one is the lock when it fold in and can be easy to transfer, put into your car. This is the wheel and they already make the hole. At least can tie 2 bolts on one side, so that is good enough. I have a handle and 4 wheel, but this wheel is small. There, it's really small. The hardware. The washer, the lock washer, same for another side. The bowl, lock washer, and the washer. unlock, unlock. And finally is the handle. Let's see if it can fit my stuff or not. The high, right here. One. My back part. Another Husky. My tripod. Install one pole right here for my camera. Absolutely for my video camera. This one is a little bit short. I need a longer pie clamp. This only 4 inch. I always have some in my storage. Right here. And right here I can put one camera to filming myself, my laptop, and this one a little bit small, but to me that's good enough for my studio and also at the location. As you can see, let me get it closer so you can see that at the bottom I can put one Husky, one bike park, and the second tier you can put something like the light, and the top one will be the tripod. How do you think about this? Write your thought in the comment. And if you enjoy my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.